let's see the question number first. The efficiency of an ideal heat engine working between the freezing point and boiling point of water is 26.8, 6.25%, 20% or 12.5%. Okay, the efficiency of an idle engine is 1 minus T2. T2 is the boiling point of water and T1 is freezing point of water. Then, as we know, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So we will convert this with 100 Celsius to Kelvin. We will get 100 plus 273, that is 373 by freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So in Kelvin this will be 273 Kelvin. 273, and as we have to find the percentage, so we will multiply whole this by 100. So finally we will get the answer 26.8%. So according to us, the answer should be first, that is 26.8%, and the answer is first only, that is 26.10, and we are absolutely correct.